Hi there. Well, actually, what happened, some people said you should eat a can of Chew. So I'm going to eat a can of Chew. No, I'm not.
Stretch it out.
Oh, yeah. You remember Frank?
Yeah. There's no forget Frank.
You know, Dan, you basically have to lick the paper clean. Just keep going. You're doing really good. White pepper light.
Excuse me. Pardon me.
I think so too.
What?
Get the
Get the
pepper
last
out the
pepper
way.
over with.
I'm waiting until I get a big bite of mayo. Because we all know how much mayo kills the peppers, right? I gotta blow my nose, but I don't know if that has to be hands-free or not.
Pretty sure it does.
Probably.
Suck it up. Do you want me to get the nasal aspirator?
Did you mean actually suck it up?
Do you want me
Or
to get the nasal aspirator out after you?
You're in the clear now.
Yep, we're home free.
God.
tooth on the table again.
It's gonna break
I
something.
know. So the dude breaks
I'm gonna
off.
break a fucking tooth by the time I'm done this shit. Warning.
Civil.
Keep it civil, stupid.
If you could fold the piece,
I
you
know.
could give him one big bite.
Yes, I don't have one more. Home free, Jen.
Makes me nervous when he stops chewing like that. You can just all of a sudden see it's a
Well, I think I'm done. Except for this last little bit here.
Paper.
Oh, paper's good for you.
There you go.
You are a good life coach.
No. You should do this for a living. Oh God.
Fuck that little slice of turkey stuck. Got it.
There's 2 little spots right there. Home sweet home.
Vacuum that thing.
There's a couple spots. Let's wait till she.
I'll have to wait.
Ah! Ah!
Hey. Oh. Got it.
Yeah, that didn't go in. So, once again, Subway FaceOff Challenge, sponsored by Lucky Dog Hot Sauce, that's food's best friend, Ghost Pepper Store, Red Hawk Premium Peppers, Dave's Foods, Texas Creek Foods, Joiner's Hot Peppers, Nepper's Peppers, Sickman's, THP members Scoville DeVille, and Muskie Mojo. Special thanks to the boss from thehotpepper.com. You guys are awesome. I want to give a shout out to all the other contestants. I hope you guys all finished this. I hope you guys all did an awesome job. We'll leave it to the voting. And this was all for good fun. And that's what it's all about. I want to thank, once again, JT and Howard S&M1. These guys got me some orange halves in a real hurry, so I was able to do this. So special thanks to you guys.
Your speech can't be over.
My speech can't be over?
No, you still have lots of time.
How much time do I got yet?
3.5 minutes.
Holy crap. Alright. So, I should have waited to shave I should be shaving my head right now, and I shouldn't have done it earlier. That should have been my afterburn. That was good. That actually was good. It was tough eating it hands-free. I don't know, Scott, am I allowed to wipe my face off, or does that have to be after the 5 minutes are up? I don't know.
You're at 2:22.
2:22? That's my birthday.
Yep.
That is.
Winner.
Winner, chicken dinner. Actually, it was turkey. It was good turkey, too. I don't know what was actually in the turkey. It probably wasn't all turkey, but I don't know. Those freaking Bud Light Lime-A-Ritas look pretty good right now. That was good shit, right? I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did. I'm full. Mama Jane, you enjoy it?
3 minutes. Do you want me to pan to her?
No.
Yeah, you should.
Pardon me.
You should thank your life coach too. She was doing
Anyway.
What's your name?
Life coach?
Life coach Kayla.
Special thanks to Life Coach 182. That's my sister-in-law. She was going in the background going, yeah, you can do it, you can do it.
3:40.
3:40. Is that what time it is?
No. Pretty close.
Actually, what time is it?
3:18.
3:18 in the morning.
Yes.
Wow.
No sleep for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees.
Money don't grow on trees. Thanks, Rankev07. You're
4
awesome.
minutes. I know.
You're awesome.
I know.
Man, I really need to blow my nose right now, but can you go get me the nasal aspirator?
Yes.
You know those bulb things you use on kids? I still couldn't do that without my hands.
Right.
Shit, I guess we're screwed, right?
Right.
I'll just let the snot run down my face. It's all good.
As long as you don't lick it, it's all good.
I ain't licking it.
4:33.
4:33. Cool. I really want to thank you guys. This was an awesome good time. Sponsors are awesome. All the other contestants,
Are awesome.
well, they know they're awesome. That's why they're doing it. This was a challenge supposed to be 15 people. We only got 10 because there's only 10 people
5 minutes.
ballsy enough to do this shit.
5 minutes.
Apologize my language. I'm sorry.
Time.
Time.
Up here, Kevin. You're gonna use this one.
5 minutes. 5 seconds.
Okay. And we're off.
Thanks again.